install one of these tub shrooms into a tub, and I'll show you how to do that step by step. Really quick process. Let's get started. All you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll link it in the description box below, the one I'm using. And all you gotta do is take out this screw that holds the drain cover in. And you really want to be careful with this screw, because the issue is obviously a lot of water will get on this screw and can sometimes really disintegrate the screw. So if yours is looking like it's, you know, corroding or worse for the wear, when you push down on the screwdriver, put a lot of force downward and then turn. Don't just turn or you'll strip out the head of the screw. Okay, so pull this out. Okay, get this screw out of the tub or else it will definitely find its way somehow down the drain. So I'm going to pull that out, and now we can pull off this cover. I need this. There we go. And now all we got to do is quite simply just push this down into place. And then if you want to have the tub, just push that down and that'll keep it from draining, and then pull out for when you want the water to drain or to shower. I will say there are definitely pros and cons to this. One, the tub shroom is really nice because obviously it catches hair, and it's really actually pretty good about catching debris. I've installed one before. I thought about showing you what one looks like after a couple showers, but I didn't want to scare you away. They do catch a lot of junk, which is also one of the cons, because you do have to clean this thing out pretty regularly. I have short hair, and I use one shower, and I have to clean it out at least every other week, if not weekly, or else I'm constantly taking showers with baths included. So yeah, definitely pros and cons. Definitely can help your plumbing, save you from having a bunch of clogs, but also there is that issue of having to continually take this thing out, clean it, and then put it back in. So just know that that is the case. It does a good job. I'll link one down in the description box below in case you want to install one. Super simple job. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.